Hey guys, welcome back to DeAnn Creates, where I show you how to make crafts, DIY, and home decor projects without spending a lot of money. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful yarn pom pom wall hanging. So if you'd like to see it, keep watching. The first thing you're going to need is a 24-inch wooden dowel. Since I didn't have a dowel that size, I ended up gluing and taping two 12-inch dowels together instead. Then you're going to wrap your dowel in jute twine using a hot glue gun to hold it in place. Use a pair of scissors to cut the end of the twine and push the end of the twine down into a little drop of hot glue on the end of the dowel. Use your scissors to cut off any twine hairs that are sticking up. Now you're going to cut 7 pieces of crochet thread about 4 feet long each and tie them to the wooden dowel and space them out evenly. Be sure to double knot the thread to make sure that it is secure. Now put your dowel down for a second because we're going to start making some pom-poms. Now there are several different ways that you can make pom-poms. You can use a pom-pom maker, you can use cardboard, or you can do it with a fork. But today I'm going to use the method where you wrap the yarn around your hand. Now I only wrapped the yarn around my hands 20 times because I had to make like a million pom-poms. But if you want big fluffy full pom-poms, you should do at least 40 times or more. The more times you wrap it around your hand, the bigger and fluffier your pom-pom will be. You're going to use the scissors to cut the yarn. Then you're going to slide the loops of yarn off of your hand gently to keep it in the same shape. Now you're going to take another piece of yarn about 12 inches and wrap it around the loops of yarn and double knot it. Use your scissors to cut through every single loop in the bunch and don't miss a single one. Make sure that you don't cut the long pieces that's wrapped around the pom-pom because that is what we're going to use to attach our pom-pom to the thread. Now you're going to flatten your pom-pom out and you're going to take your scissors and cut the strings evenly in the shape of a circle. And you're going to keep cutting around and around until it's in a perfect circle. Fluff your pom-pom out as much as possible. Use the 2 long strings on your pom-pom to attach it to the thread, tie it with a double knot and secure it, and then slide it up into the exact position that you want it in. With your hot glue gun, put a dab of hot glue on top of the knot. Then you're going to pinch the pom-pom closed to conceal the little spot where the hot glue gun is. Use your scissors to cut the 2 long pieces of string so that they match the length of the rest of the strings in the pom-pom. If you're enjoying this video, hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. If you like more craft and DIY ideas, you can check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com or follow me on Pinterest. I repeated the same process with each of my 5 different colors of yarn. This wall hanging has a very bohemian flair to it, so in the comment section below, let me know what's your decorating style.
Nico, we send our thoughts to you as you deal with losses during this very difficult time to you and your family.
Alright you guys, back to the craft. Just continue making pom-poms and putting them on the string, being very aware of the color order so that they can be in the pattern that you want them to be in. Now we're done with our pom-poms and it's time to do the finishing touches. Take the end of each thread and tie a double knot above the last pom-pom. Cut the excess string, then repeat the process for each thread. Grab your twine and tie a double knot around the wooden dowel between the first and second strings on the left side. Then do the same thing on the opposite side. Cut the excess twine to about 1 inch long, wrap it around the dowel, and use the hot glue gun to glue it down to the dowel. And do this on both sides. Check over your project one last time and cut any loose strings that are sticking out. And that's it, you guys. This Pom Pom wall hanging was so much fun to do and so easy to make, and I just love how it came out. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.